Okay, I'm going to talk about something I call the Polygon Clock, and it's only a way to remember all the names of the different shapes of things for how many sides they have. For example, like a one-sided figure, that's just, it's really a nothing, it's just a point. Okay, something with 2 points, right, is called a line. Something with 3 points, this is a triangle. Right, you guys know that. Something with 4 points. Okay, could be a square or a rectangle, but it actually has a more professional name. Okay, so how I remember, okay, you kind of like forget about the 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 are not polygons. A polygon starts with a 3-sided figure. And a 3-sided figure is a triangle. We all know that what a triangle is, but I kind of try to make a silly little visual is that the 3-sided figure is like a tricycle, right? A tricycle, and triangle both begin with the TRI sound. Okay, let's look at a 4-sided figure. A 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral, and a quadrilateral, that's like a quad that goes out into the desert, and it has, I'm not the greatest drawer, but like vroom vroom, you're going to go up the ramp. This is my 4 wheels and the handlebars. I'm a horrible artist, but you get my idea. A 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. Okay, and a pentagon, that is like if you have, imagine a little pig. Okay, I'll get a little bit better drawing here. Little pig, whoop, and he's pent up in a pen. Pent up in a pen. So pent up in a pen, Pentagon. Pentagon. All right. The next one, a 6-sided figure. A 6-sided figure. Let's see if I could draw a 6-sided figure. There's some of you in class that are probably really good artists, and so you can just have fun laughing at mine. Okay. Well, imagine here there are 6 witches around a cauldron, right? And there's a little cauldron. There's a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 witches. You know they're witches because they have little witches hats on them. Those are my witches hats. And they are going to put a hex on you. We will put a hex on you. Okay, so that's going to help us remind us that it is a hexagon. Okay. All right. One of my favorite ones is a 7-sided figure. In my little drawing here, imagine. Let's see if you can guess what I'm drawing. A hippo. Okay, it's my little hippo. Give him little nostrils. That's not too bad. A hippo, and he is stuck in a septic tank. Okay, a septic tank is for houses that live out in the, like past Alpine, out in the old country, is that it's where their toilet goes to, into the septic tank. So a hippo in a septic tank, because there's actually 2 words for a 7-sided figure. A heptagon, okay, hippo, heptagon, and a septagon, septic tank. I'll put septic tank, septagon, heptagon. All right, everybody knows what the 8-sided figure is. The 8-sided figure is named after an octopus. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so an octagon. Okay, an octagon, an 8-sided figure, a 9-sided figure. Okay, imagine you have this in my little clock right here. I have a bunch of nuns. Let's see, nuns were black, right? So nuns, I cannot draw. Okay, so here's nuns. They have their habits on. Okay, and they're all in their little robes. Looks like a bottle. We'll put their hands here. Okay, they're singing na 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 na. Okay, because this is a nonagon, and these are my nuns singing. Oh, I could put like little music notes. How about that? Okay, for nuns singing. Okay, 10. At 10, imagine a magician with a deck of cards. Okay, so here's my cards all piled on top of each other. And what does the magician say? Abracadabra, deck all gone. So he makes the deck disappear. Deck all gone, because a 10-sided figure is called a decagon. Decagon. An 11-sided figure is called an decagon. And so imagine, I always imagine in my little clock right here, there's this little fire. Hold on, the flames are coming. Here's the flames. Okay, and around the fire is these Aborigines from Australia, and they are dancing, and they have sticks that they're holding up, and those sticks look like the number 11, and they're dancing around the fire singing Undecagon, Undecagon. Okay, and a 12-sided figure is called a Dodecagon. Dodecagon. And we've all heard of a dodo bird. Okay. I don't know how to draw, but here's my little picture of a dodecagon. Okay, I'm actually getting a little bit better. Dodecagon. And so I imagine the bird like walking across the deck of a boat and going do 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 this way, do 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 this way. Okay, so he's on the deck of a boat, and he's just walking back and forth, and it's so this little picturesque clock is kind of a visual to help you remember. Triangle, quadrilateral, because of the quads going up the hill. Pentagon, pigs pent up in a pen. Hex, which is going to put a hex on you, so a hexagon. A hippo going up sliding down a septic tank. A heptagon or a septagon. An octopus is an octagon. Nuns singing a nonagon. The magician making the deck disappear, deck all gone, decagon. The Aborigines dancing around a fire with their sticks in the shape of 11, undecagon. And a 12-sided figure, dodecagon, a little dodo bird going back and forth across the deck. Silly little image, but fun way to remember the names of a polygon.